Let us now have a look at path name expansion. The mechanism by which wildcards work is called path name expansion. If we try some of the techniques that we employed in our earlier chapters, we will see that they are really expansion. Given a home directory that looks like this. As we can see, there are different files and folders present in our home directory. What will happen if I just type echo d and then star? It printed on the screen desktop, documents, and downloads. It means it took the files and folders which start with the capital D and after that any characters. So it printed out our desktop, documents, and download folders on the screen. Let us now try one more example. I'm going to put echo and then type asterisk symbol and then I'm going to type S. As you can see right now, again, we see documents, downloads, pictures, templates, and videos because these folders are ending with character S. And before that, it counts or calculates any character. Let me try to give you one more example. For example, echo and then type double square brackets and then colon and then type upper, then you end with the column and then close the parentheses, square brackets, and then type star. It is going to give us all the files and folders starting with the upper character and then any character. As we can see, there are folders such as desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates, and videos. All of them are starting with the capital letter and it doesn't matter which characters they have next. Let us now look beyond our home directory. We are going to type echo and then type /usr slash any directory and then type share. So it is going to give us starting directory is usr and the mean any directory doesn't matter and then ending with shared directory. As you can see, we have only one directory which is usr and local and then share. If there were multiple directories or destinations which are starting with USR and ending with share, it would have printed on the screen. Let me clear the screen. Let us now talk about path name expansion of hidden files. As we know, file names that begin with a period character are hidden. Path name expansions also respect this behavior. If we type echo star, we will not see any hidden directory. Let me show you. For example, echo and then star. It will not show us any hidden files or folders. It just shows what is present in our home directory. It might appear at first glance that we could include hidden files in an expansion by starting the pattern with a leading period. For example, echo and then type period symbol and then type star. It almost works. However, if we examine the results closely, we will see that the names starting with period and then there are double periods. For example, here, right, will also appear in the results. Since these names refer to the current working directory and its parent directory, using this pattern will likely produce an incorrect result. We can see this if we try the command, for example, ls-d period symbol asterisk and then read it with less. Now we can see there's a period symbol, there are two period symbols, and then there are hidden. For example, dot bash history, dot bash logout, etc. To quit this page, you will have to press Q on the screen and clear the screen. To better perform path name expansion in this situation, we have to employ a more specific pattern. For example, echo and then type dot square brackets and then type not symbol and then again type period symbol and then close the square bracket and then put the asterisk and hit enter. This pattern expands into every file name that begins with a period, does not include a second period as you can see on the screen, and followed by any other character. This will work correctly with most hidden files, though it still won't include file names with multiple leading periods. The ls command with -a option, which means almost all, will provide a correct listing of hidden files. Let me show you. If I clear the screen and type ls capital A and hit enter. As you can see, it also shows hidden files which are starting with a period symbol. Let me clear the screen. We can use ls and al as well, which also shows single period, double period, and everything which is in our current home directory. Let me clear the screen. So that's it for this videos. Let us now jump into tilde expansion.